Hey, this is Troy, the CPA again. I want to talk to you about something that I've always experienced throughout my professional career. That's when couples come in and we talk about the married filing jointly versus married filing separately. And sometimes it could get a little bit contentious because you might have a situation where one spouse owes money and the other spouse does not owe money to the IRS, and then it becomes a problem. Let me just give you an example of what I'm talking about. So in most cases it's better to file married filing jointly, right? Now there is a sweet spot that you can get to where it's probably better to file separately, but in most cases it's better to file jointly, married filing jointly. So we got a couple that made $150,000 total, and then if we break it out, the married filing separately, it's $100,000 and $50,000. In most cases, it's better to file that married filing joint return. I made up a little situation. It might be a $12,000 refund. But look, there are some cases where you do not want to file a joint return, right? So I'm going to get into that right now. So if there are some past debts, some past IRS debts or state debts or student loans or back child support, and then next thing you know, one spouse doesn't know about the debt and you start to file a joint return. Well, the minute you file that joint return, you start to share in the liability of the other spouse, okay? So what will happen is, if you're thinking you're going to get this $12,000 refund, but there's a $23,000 debt, and next thing you know you file a joint return, then what's going to happen is that $23,000 refund is going to be gone. The IRS is going to take it because of the prior person having a debt. So be very, very cautious. Communicate, man. Communicate. Hey, I've seen people like break up over this, and I am not making this up. I've seen people break up. There's another thing is, you know, one spouse makes more money than the other, significantly more, and then you file a joint return. I've seen cases you come in, you guys got a lapside, you kind of lapsided on the income side, and then when they come in, the conversations are so contentious. So contentious, you can feel the tension in the room because one spouse makes a lot more than the other, and the other spouse is thinking, I should be getting a refund because I don't make that much, and the one says, hey, I make a whole lot more, and it becomes very contentious, right? So hey, the bottom line is, like Al Green says, let's stay together. No matter what weather, let's stay together, right? So that's all I want to say. I might do a little bit deep diving into people who make the lap-sided income, and I'll do another video on that too. So catch me on my next video, guys. Take care, and let's stay together.